it's me, Bevbe. Today I have a very special unboxing. It is a square diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, and we're going to be looking at the Seer. Isn't she gorgeous? So this one I've had in my stash for a very long time. I haven't opened her up yet, but I'm curious to see what she looks like. So let's get started and let's take a look. But before we do, or while I'm unboxing it, if you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel and join my diamond painting hive. I post new videos on an almost daily basis, if you can believe it or not. I don't know why I don't have my scissors. Okay, let's open her up. As you can see, I had her labeled as Seer. I love this. I love this. I'm excited to see it. So first off, we have our diamond painting kit. It comes with tweezers because it is a square diamond painting. It comes with a squishy, a clear boat, if you can see it, or a clear tray, a pen, some baggies, and then there's also 2 of these little hearts of diamond painting wax. And yes, my nails are beautiful. Thank you very much for complimenting them. I know you're jealous. It's okay. It's hard being so beautiful. It also comes with this label sheet. So what you can do is, this is an entire sticker. On newer Diamond Art Club kits, they actually have these pre-cut for you, so all you have to do is peel them off. But what you can do is cut them out and put them on the label, put the labels on the containers if you are kitting up that way. So again, this is a Seer by Emilie Jarrige. I don't know how to say her name, but isn't she gorgeous? I love her skin tone. I love like her henna slash tattoos. I don't know if that's henna or tattoos. And then it's a square and it measures 56 by 79 centimeters. And it looks like it has 2 ABs, 129 and 141. You also get one of these stickers. You can put it in your logbook. You can put it on your box, whatever you want. I'm going to take mine and put mine on my box because then I don't have to read that label that says Seer because I already ruined it. So here we go. There it is on my box. Move this out of the way. And now let's open her up. So Diamond Art Clubs come in a bag, and then they come in a box, and then they come in a bigger box. So they don't get crushed during shipping, which I really like. They do have a lot of attention to detail over at Diamond Art Club, which I think we all appreciate. Here is our step-by-step instructions booklet. If you've never seen one before, there's just tips on how to diamond paint, how to actually diamond paint, a thank you gift code for 10% off your next purchase, and that's that. This is a big chunky bag of drills, so we'll take a look at these drills after we look at the canvas. This canvas is a big girl. Look at her. Look at her face. So it's not all going to fit in the frame, sorry. My camera's not long enough or wide enough to fit it in, and sorry for the glare. But look at the detail in her. She's just gorgeous. On the top left, we have our schematic, and on the bottom right, we have our schematic as well. Let's look at the drill field. The details in her eyes look awesome. There's a little flower in her hair, and then here is the schematic. So a total of 39 colors with 2 ABs, 129 and 141. And the bottom left, we have the title, the Seer, 56 by 79, and then Emilie Jarrige, and I'm going to take you on a tour of the canvas, and then we'll look at the drills. Okay, it's drill time. Woo! So here on the bag we have the label, just in case you store your canvases separately from your diamond painting. I just stick mine in the same box that it came in, and then they're all together for when I'm ready to work on it. As you can see, there's a bunch of oranges, some reds, some earthy colors, but also some bright colors. Like, look at this color. This pink is so vibrant. I love it. So here right off the bat we have some ABs. 141, which is kind of like white, and it has that pearlescent coating. You can see that. That is what's meant by AB. It's Aurora Borealis, if you didn't know. And then the other AB was 129. 129, which looks like a yellow. So we'll look for a yellowy color. Yeah. Oh, actually, you know what? There's 2 bags of 141. So that's cool. You get 2 bags of the 141 AB. Here is the other AB, 129. As you can see, it has that iridescent glow to it as well, or sparkle, glitter, whatever you want to call it. So that is really pretty. Let's see where these ABs go. Put you guys on top of the canvas and let's see. So symbols 1 and 2 are AB. So there are 2s in her eyes. 2, okay, so this whole white that you see outlining her, those are all ABs. That's all that white AB. So there's a ton of ABs in this diamond painting. And then where else are the ones? Let's see. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. There's some 2s in her lips. Oh, and then there's 1s. If this light color is 1. So there's those. And there's some over here. And I think that may be it. But yeah, the ABs go all around. Like this whole outline is all AB. That's amazing. This kit will be really pretty. Should I do this one next? I don't know. Should I? What are your thoughts? Do you guys have this kit? It is an older kit. It's not like a new release or anything fancy and flashy, but I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I didn't know there were so many ABs in it, so I'm really excited to work on it. Do you guys have this in your stash? Are you going to work on it? Have you done this one? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know all your thoughts, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of my hive. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. Okay, bye!